This isn't toothpaste.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to just Ameerah's channel. Oh, okay. Enough cringy. Alright, guys, so today I am going to be trying out TROOM's weird pranks. Just stuff like that. So, guys, there's a channel called TROOM, and they do a bunch of like little DIYs and pranks. And honestly, to me, their DIYs are sometimes really useless, and sometimes they're really like cool. But like usually, it's just kind of like visually appealing to watch for me. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I wanted to try out pranks on my actual family. So I'm just making some pranks and making some of their pranks, and I'm gonna try and get my family's reaction. So like Charlie, my mom, Paul. I'm gonna do a prank on you, Paul.
But I already know what's gonna happen.
Oh, you don't know what's gonna happen, Paul. August 11th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and I'm so freaking excited. It's also at Arizona Mills Mall and it is completely free. It's gonna be like a slime unicorn party, like back to school. So you guys should definitely come. I love meeting you guys. We just did one. It was so freaking fun. And yeah, there will be more details in the description down below. And yeah, today play my challenge. Me, check this like button with you. You have to get to your arm and then you have to go like this. And then you have to like press the like button with your thumb. And yeah, okay, well, I think we can start now. Let's get straight on into the video, yo. Alright, so the first one is gonna be an edible headband. So we got this one. This is the one that we found, so yeah.
You just hit yourself in the face.
With a unicorn. It doesn't matter if it's a unicorn. Okay, so basically for this one, you're supposed to get a headband, preferably one without unicorns on it. Okay, and this one isn't such a bad prank. I think you're supposed to get like fondant flowers. I got icing decorations. I feel like they're the same thing, but they're flowers, they're edible flowers, okay? So I think it doesn't really matter as long as they're edible flowers. So, peacefully and gracefully take this out of the box. I love sunflowers, guys. Like, they're my favorite flower. They are gorgeous, and I love their giant set. What are you looking at? Is there something on my head?
Yeah.
Oh, sunflowers. Okay, so we got these flowers right here, these small ones, and we got these beautiful sunflowers. So, I think I'll just use the sunflowers. Okay, and also what you need to glue it is gelatin. I feel like they changed their edible glue to gelatin mixture, you know, which I like a lot better because I have absolutely no idea where the heck edible glue is. Anyways, so I don't think they really gave a measurement, so I'm just gonna, you know, eyeball it like they did. So, and then I'm just gonna put some water, and I'm gonna heat it up, and we're just gonna try and make it sticky. So let me do that.
By the way, guys, this is unflavored gelatin, just so you know.
Bone apple teeth. You mix this in there. I don't like using gelatin. I hate it. It's so annoying to boil. Okay, I'm gonna add some more gelatin. I don't know what's worse, the edible glue or the gelatin, guys. Well, this is more gooey, I think. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and warm this up again to try and get rid of all those globs, and I will see you guys in the next year.
One eternity later.
Okay, so here it is, guys. It's a lot more gooey. It's actually really cool. It's kind of like slime. Okay, so now you're supposed to get this gross stuff and glue it onto this perfectly fine headband. Okay, so get this flour, and then we put a little bit of this gooey stuff. There we go. That's pretty good, I think. And then just squish it on there. Oh, that's actually, that went on there pretty good. This seems like it's working out. All right, so now we're gonna go do another one like that. The prank here is that you have your you have your headband on, and then you eat it in front of somebody, and then they think you're crazy, and then you prank them. Oh, that's sticking on pretty well. It's like boogers. Okay, well there is my headband. Why is that one going crazy? Okay, well we're gonna go ahead and set it aside to let it kind of like cool off. I think it's already like starting to like really, whoa. Whoa, that's like hot glue. Okay, well it's not like, it doesn't stick on. Look at that, guys. It doesn't stick on like a lot, which is really good. I like it. This is some nice edible glue here, guys. You need some edible glue, gelatin, and water. Just saturated gelatin and water. That's all you need. Okay, well I think this is pretty good. I am excited about that one. That one doesn't seem so like weird as the other ones, but yeah, let's go ahead and try it. So next one we're gonna do, guys, is frozen lollipop. Yeah. Okay, so you're supposed to get your lollipop. Okay, so for this one, guys, you get lollipop. Yes. This is mystery flavor. What do you think it is? Oh, banana. I never really like banana. Okay, well, I don't really know how they did this. Well, they just said to get a lollipop stick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, yeah. Okay, then you're supposed to get a balloon and fill it up with water. I feel like they might, they didn't say to use a water balloon, but I feel like they might have used a water balloon, but we're gonna try this anyways. So guys, I want was gonna use this thing that I made, but we got some lollipop sticks. I thought they were gonna be too long, but honestly, I kind of want to use them now. It's gonna be easier, I feel like. So just stick that in the balloon like this. Then they just said to keep it like that and then to freeze it. So I'm just gonna, I don't know what to do. Paul, advice?
Rubber bands.
Okay, we're gonna use rubber bands. Guys, so I put my balloon inside the freezer and it is now freezing. Hopefully it will freeze good because I don't know about that one, guys. Okay, next what we're gonna do, guys, is make a fake Jello butter. This one seems pretty cool, honestly. I mean, it seems pretty funny. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay, so first we're supposed to get some milk, and I feel like you're supposed to get some milk and then put like gelatin in it, and I feel like this isn't such a great idea. Okay, so I'm gonna put like how much do you think you should do?
I have no idea how to make Jello.
I don't either. Okay, so I was a little afraid that the yellow color wouldn't go there, but it's pretty good. I think it's good. Well, this actually is mixing very well, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and pop this into the microwave for like about 300 years.
2,000 years later.
Bone apple teeth. Okay, so I think it's pretty good, right? You think it's good, Paul?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know how to make Jello. Okay, why can't you help me, Paul?
Well, I have no clue.
Okay, well, I think this is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it into the freezer so that it will hopefully Jello rise or whatever it does in there.
Jello rise?
Yes, Jello rise. I just came up with it. You have a problem with it?
Well, hold on, so it becomes bigger?
No, it just becomes Jello.
Oh, okay.
This next one, guys, I'm gonna be replacing the toothpaste with Nutella. And it's Nutella, not Nutella.
It's Nutella.
It's Nutella.
That's not even Nutella, it's hazelnut spread.
Yeah, by the way, guys, there is so many, I don't know, there's like a shortage of Nutella right now, and so many bottled Nutellas at the Walmart, so we had to get great value hazelnut spread. But it probably tastes the same anyways, and sometimes, honestly, great value stuff tastes better than, you know, regular, so, yeah. Okay, so first you're gonna get a toothpaste thing. Toothpaste tubes. You're gonna get the toothpaste tubes and you're gonna cut the top off. You need to smell it. Stinks. Okay, then you're gonna squish it all out. Ooh, that looks cool. I think I gotta, let me just go ahead and wash really quick, but I am gonna pop this into the microwave for about 6,700 years.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, so we got this out cleaned up. Now we got a trumpet. All right, so once you got your toothpaste tube all cleaned up and all open and stuff, you're gonna get your Nutella, or actually, this is hazelnut spread because it is great value. I wanna try this. It's definitely thinner than Nutella, and it's like more sugary, but it's not even that bad. So I don't really have a syringe. Okay, not so bad, right? Am I right? Now you get some parchment paper. Then you're gonna get an iron. Also, guys, if you're gonna be doing this, make sure you have some help from somebody who can use an iron. So yeah. Okay, so you're supposed to like close this with the iron. I don't really know how because there's like Nutella squeezing out. So
just eat the Nutella.
Nutella.
Eat the hazelnut spread.
Let's do that. And let's burn it. Hey, it doesn't really seem like you can iron this shut. Seems like it's melting, guys. I'm gonna start stabbing it now because I feel like that will help. And let's see. Well, it's really messed up. It still sucks. What if I fold it like this and then I iron it so that it'll like melt together? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try it on the counter like Paul suggested because he said that maybe it'll give it better pressure, better water pressure, you know? Well, we're just gonna keep it like this. Hopefully it works. I don't really think it was gonna work to begin with, even if I did get that to work. But yeah, that's what we got for this one. Okay, guys, we are all done with all the preparing and the making and stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring them all together and see what we have created. But we haven't completely finished some of them actually. So here's a lollipop. It's a little dented, but honestly, I feel like we should just leave it like this because look at how cute it is. And then we got our butter right here. Guys, honestly, I think I might have put a little too much gelatin. Okay, I finally found a way to get it out. Ooh, it's not that bad. Whoa! Okay, how beautiful. This is actually really cool. It's like super rubbery. I love punching it. Now we get this butter right here. Okay, and then you're supposed to get like butter, but I only have these paper ones, so I don't think we should use that. We're just gonna give just a slice taken out. Okay, there is my butter slice.
Hey, it looks really nice.
I think it looks pretty good. All right. So we got, that's complete, guys. So we got our lollipop, our toothpaste, our butter, and then what's the last one? Oh yeah, the headband. All right, well, what is this? Okay, I guess let's put it to the test, guys. Okay, guys, so let's try out our pranks You know what I'm saying?
No, not this time.
No, okay. Anyways, let's get this show party on the road. By the way, 2 of these fell off and I'm not about to put them back on, okay? Alright, so it's now time to test these out. So, Charlie! Charlie!
What?
Get over here.
Just because you said it like that, I will.
Okay, he's coming all weird. Okay. So, Charlie, we're gonna do a little story time today. So you could, you know, eat whatever you want. Would you like a? This is my lollipop. You can have this one.
Why am I getting the lollipop? Can I know why my lollipop looks like this? Ew, it's dripping. What is wrong with my lollipop?
Nothing, Charlie. Just get it. It's sweating.
What is this?
It's a lollipop.
No, it's not. It's a balloon filled with something cold.
Can you get the freaking scissors, bro?
Joke's on you. I love ice.
It's not a problem anymore. Okay, so would you like some toast with butter? Here you
That's
go.
not toast. That's a slice of bread.
No, well, yes, you put butter on the bread.
I'm sorry. I've never seen butter do this before.
It's vegan.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
The cat.
You just got pranked! Ha! Oh, I want a little sweet something right now. That's pretty good. When it worked, tastes disgusting.
What's this though?
This is milk and gelatin. Oh, now you don't want any. Okay, now I think we should brush our teeth. I got this new toothpaste. It's really good. I bought it off some guy in the back of Walmart.
It looks like it's been resealed. I mean,
It hasn't. It's just because they use all vegan and natural sources to close it. So you can brush your teeth.
okay. Well, do you have a toothbrush?
You don't need a toothbrush for this one.
So what am I supposed to put it on?
On your teeth. God. Charlie, it looks like you're rubbing poop on your teeth.
This isn't toothpaste.
It's not a problem anymore.